John, I want you to do a small work for me.
Yeah, Jesus, tell me. Let me do it for you, Jesus.
You know your friend, what are you doing, John?
Jesus, I'm so. Let me refresh. Let me get settled. Then Jesus, I want to eat.
John, he will be in danger. Please call him now.
कैसे आज भी हम एक वचन सीख लेंगे। सब बातों में अपने आप प्रसन्न होता है। कुलुसियों फिर से
சோர்வா இருக்கு, என்னால முடியாது அப்படின்னு நீ நினைச்ச கவலை
இருதயத்தோடும் என்னை தேவையில் கண்டுபிடிப்பீர்கள். வசனம் எல்லாம் ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சா? இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஆக்ஷன் ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சா? வசனம் ரொம்ப தெளிவா சொன்னது. என்னை
సామెతల గ్రంథము 4వ అధ్యాయము 23వ వచనం. అది హృదయమును భద్రముగా కాపాడుకొనును. సామెతల గ్రంథం
Proverbs 4:23 ends, guard your heart. Is it easy? Psalm 23. Above all,
I will be cheer. Let's rejoice in the Lord. I will be
King Nebuchadnezzar had ordered that people should bow down. He had set up. But Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego were a furnace. They replied that God is able to deliver them from the fire. They won't serve the image or his gods, as they knew that God is the fiery furnace. The king noticed that, found that the fire had not touched them. Not a hair on their ordered that everyone in his kingdom would worship only the living